Alright, today we'll be performing a starter draw test. We went ahead and have our VAT40 hooked up onto our battery because you would perform a battery load test before you do a starter draw test. The only difference is you're going to go ahead and hook up your amp clamp onto the battery cable coming out from the battery towards the starter. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and disengage the starting system. On the older cars you can just go ahead and pull out the power feed to the solenoid or a new coil, or in newer cars you can go ahead and pull a EFI relay for Toyotas, or some sort of relay that controls fuel and or spark. Alrighty, we have a small V8 today, so we should be drawing about 200 amps for a small V8, no more than 250. You have about 150 for a 4-cylinder, 180 for a 6-cylinder. Now we're going to go ahead and start the engine. And we're going to go ahead and keep an eye on our VAT40. We have our settings on starting, and also internal 18. We're going to go ahead and see how many amps it draws. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and start up the engine. And you can see it's about 180, almost 200, which is good for this car. And of course, if you had a customer complaint that car was sluggish on start, then if it's below about 150 or so, maybe you might want to go ahead and put in a new starter. If it's too high, anything over 250, there could be a problem. There might be hydrolock, a solenoid's not working, or high resistance in the cable.